our generation, Facebook is changing the way we communicate. You know what's Facebook? Come on, you're not that old, brother. Okay, sorry. I don't know whether Facebook is halal or haram. I'm waiting for that fatwa to still come out. But anyways, Facebook, I don't know, brother. I don't know. You should ask your... Okay, anyways, Facebook. You know, when I got to London, I didn't have many friends. So I'm trying to make friends. I'm like... So this guy comes up to me, do you want to be my friend? I'm like, yeah, I'm happy now. I've got a friend. I'll send you an invite on Facebook. That's not the type of friend I want, you know? Someone who writes on my wall, private messages. And what is with the pictures on Facebook, All the poses. You know, the most random poses. And you think the brothers with the beards also. Brothers with the beards got their sunglasses on, they're posing. They're not even in the sun, the guy's in his bedroom and he's posing for you. And you can see, look at those Facebook pictures, You can see when somebody took their own Facebook picture. The camera was in their own hand. You know, when you're pressing the button, you do this thing with your lip. Just check. If you're laughing, it's because you do it. If you're laughing, it's because you did it. But there's only one thing I hate.